Think about it, my friend. What are the decisions you need to make to keep you and your life and your family moving forward with certainty? What are the decisions you've been putting off? So here we are in the world. The market's making adjustments. Depending upon what you read or what you study or what you look at, the world's either blowing up and falling apart or the streets are paved with gold, depending upon your perspective. But I always ask myself in moments like this, what are the decisions I've been putting off? What are the decisions I need to make so I can move things forward? Because what we don't want to do is be inactive. We want to make good decisions with the information and the data we have in front of us so we can move forward with certainty and power. I heard a funny line today that the streets are paved with dead squirrels. Sounds horrible, but think about it. That just couldn't make a decision to go right or left. Hashtag don't be roadkill. Make decisions. Keep moving forward. That's a little blended baker for you. Big shout out to GB. But think about it, my friend. What are the decisions you need to make to keep you and your life and your family moving forward with certainty? Make those decisions today.